Welcome to Make It Easy. As you remove all the scum from the top, the water becomes clear, and now it's the time to switch off the flame. Now take out the mutton pieces and reserve the stock for later use. Now I'm washing this mutton under running water so that if some more dirt is adhered to it, it will get removed. Now put the mutton pieces in a vessel, preferably a thick cotton vessel. And add the stock that you had reserved earlier. Strain the stock and add it to the mutton pieces. Here for 1 kg I have taken almost 1.5 kg of the mutton stock. Take care so that all the mutton pieces are immersed in the stock well. And now I'm taking 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. Seven to 8 green cardamom or choti elaichi, 4 to 5 long or cloves, and allow it to boil by putting a lid on. Now as it boils for 2 to 3 minutes, add shallot paste or prawn to this mutton. I'm adding 1 cup of shallot paste. Now add oil. Here I'm adding 3 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee to this mutton. Ghee gives an extra flavor and it enhances the taste of the Aabgosh. Now cover with the lid and cook until the meat is tender. You can also pressure cook to speed up the process. Now in a separate vessel I'm taking milk powder. Here I have taken Varka milk powder, which is normally used by Vazas in the Wazwan. You can take any milk solids from any brand. So for 1 kg I have taken here almost 250 grams of milk powder, and now I am adding some lukewarm water and stirring continuously so that no lumps are formed. You can do this in a blender jar also to speed up the process, or using an electric hand whisk. So the milk is ready. Now we will cook it on high flame, stirring continuously till it comes to a boil. You need to stir constantly because the milk it can stick to the bottom and it can burn. Here the milk has come to a boil, and now I'll switch off the flame and I'll pour this milk gravy in another vessel in which I'll prepare the Aabgosh right before serving. So this is approximately half kg of sweetened milk gravy that we have prepared. And now here the mutton, it has become very tender and the stock has reduced. And now we will transfer this mutton along with the stock into the sweetened milk gravy. Now after adding the mutton and the stock to the milk gravy, we will cook it, stirring continuously until it boils. Stirring is necessary so that the milk does not stick to the bottom. Here I am adding half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder. You can add cumin seeds as well, but I like to add it in the powdered form. It really gives a very nice taste to this curry. It has started coming to a boil. As you can see, the bubbles are forming at the top. We will let it boil for 4 to 5 minutes so that the taste of the spices, the whole spices that we have used in this process, it comes out very nicely in the milk gravy. And here this is almost ready. Now after boiling for 4 to 5 minutes, Aabgosh is ready to be served. You have just learned to make the authentic Wazwan style Aabgosh in the perfect and easiest way. And this recipe tastes amazing. Thank you for watching. Do consider subscription to my channel if you like this content. Hit the like button and share with your friends. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.